Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI sedan with the remainder of its factory warranty. If you are looking for sleek and stylish Italian lines and contours, exceptional driving performance, and a refined upscale interior that is loaded with comfort, convenience, and high-tech features, then this athletic and spirited 2-litre turbocharged inline 4 is going to deliver all of the rear-wheel drive exhilaration along with its potent acceleration. The cabin of this mid-level TI trim is eye-catching and full of Italian panache and flair, with high-quality materials throughout and a definite sports car look and feel inside. This one features Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera with rear parking sensors and dynamic guidelines, leather seats with 6-way power heated driver and front passenger adjustments and 4-way lumbar adjustment, remote keyless entry with push-button ignition, dual-zone climate control and cruise control. The acoustic laminated windshield and front door windows keep the cabin luxury hush quiet, while the DNA drive mode controller lets you select from different modes that alter the steering, transmission and accelerator accordingly. There is an 8.8-inch widescreen radio, voice recognition, a rotary controller, 3 USB ports and a Harman Kardon premium audio system with 14 speakers. The exterior features red brake calipers, bi-xenon headlights, and LED daytime running lights, power folding mirrors and 18-inch alloy wheels. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and put this exceptional Alfa Romeo through its paces today. The turbocharged engine generates tons of torque from a low RPM, and the acceleration is blisteringly quick. The steering is remarkably fast and precise, and the handling is outstanding. You will find that overall driving dynamics are nothing short of excellent. Priced to sell fast, this one won't be here for long. You owe it to yourself to test drive this one before it's snapped up. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.